guys, Jaypssftw here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lamborghini V10 engine sound with just a soda can. So, first step you want to do is take off this thing off the top of your soda can. Okay, and then next, you're going to want to make a dent in the front side of your soda can. Just a little bit above, the middle of the can. So to actually make the noise, you're gonna want to turn it upside down like this, and then you're just gonna make an engine sound with your throat. Go like this. So let's try it out. Sometimes you have to move the can around like this just to make the perfect noise for it. So let's go. So yeah, that's pretty much the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.